Let us continue exercise 3.5 of chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. So these are the problems taken from exercise 3.5. So let us begin. Yash scored 40 marks in a test. Total score was 40 marks, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for the each correct answer, this is the second condition. If 4 marks are awarded for correct and 2 marks are deducted for wrong answer, then the Yash would have scored 50 marks. So how many questions were there in the test? So total number of questions we have to find. So two conditions are given. Let us start. Let the number of correct answers, we assume correct answers, let the number of correct answers be x and that of wrong answers be y. So as per the first condition, now what is the condition? 3 marks are awarded for each correct question. So 3 multiplied by the number of answers. So number of answers are x, correct answer. So what will be the marks here? 3x. And 1 mark is deducted for wrong answers. So now how many wrong answers are there? Y. So minus 1y. 1y means y. So 3x minus y is equal to 40. That is the first condition. Similarly, proceeding for the second condition, 4 marks are awarded for each correct answer. So 4x will be the total number of marks. And 2 marks are deducted for each wrong answer. So 2y. So 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Now 4, 2 and 50. 2 is common. So these are the multiple of 2. So dividing by 2. Here we can divide by 2. So equation will be simplified. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja and 50. Now you see that this is minus y. And this is also minus y. It can be eliminated by subtracting. So take the equation 1, 3x minus y is equal to 40 and 2x minus y is equal to 25. This subtracting equation 2 from 1. So change the sign, minus, minus become plus and plus becomes minus. So 3x minus 2x we get x. Y get cancel. 40 minus 25, 15. So x is equal to 15. This is direct answer you got. That is the correct answer. So how many correct answers there are there? 15. Now we'll substitute this value x in any of the equation. So we are substituting in equation number 1. So replace x by 15. 3 into 15, 45. 45 taken to other side. So it becomes minus 45. So minus y is equal to 40 minus 5. That is minus y is equal to minus 5. So minus get cancelled. Negative sign get cancelled. Y is equal to 5. So what is y? Wrong answers. What is x? Correct answer. Hence number of questions in the test is equal to x plus y. That is 15 plus 5, 25. 15 plus 5, 20. Now you can check 3 for right answer in the first condition and minus 5. So it is equal to 45 minus 5, 40. 4 marks for right answer and 2 marks for losing 2 marks for wrong answer. So 2 into 5, wrong answers are 5. So 60 minus 10 is equal to 50. Means our answer is correct. Okay. Now problem number 2. Places A and B are 100 km apart. 2 cities are there. 2 places are there. The distance between them is 100. The places are named as A and B on a highway. One car starts from A, another starts from B at the same time. Okay, at the same time the 2 cars are starting. Condition number 1. if the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, this is second condition. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour because they are coming to each other. What are the speeds of the two cars? So what is the question? What are the speeds? So we'll assume their speed. Let the speed of car starting from A be x kilometer per hour, and that of the car from B be y kilometer per hour. Now imagine that this is the place A and B. The distance between A and B is 100 kilometer. They are starting at the same time. By first condition, this is the first condition diagram I have shown you. So A and B, now they are traveling in the same direction. Suppose now B is traveling to the right, A is also traveling to the right. So both are traveling in the same direction. Remember that difference between their cars is 100 kilometer. So that difference will be always there. Right? Now A must be having the greater speed, suppose, and B is having this lesser speed. So obviously A is going to meet B somewhere here. Somewhere here they will meet. So after how many hours they are meeting? After 5 years. So we will find out the distance traveled by these cars in 5 hours. So using the formula, what is the formula? Distance traveled is equal to speed into time. So distance covered by a car at A. What is the speed? X. What is the time? 5. So total it will be 5x kilometer. Now distance covered by car at B in same time 5. So it will be 5y. Now as initial difference of the distance was 100 kilometer, so A is exceeding and A is covering that 100 kilometer, and so that means A is covering 100 kilometer more because they are meeting here. Suppose they are meeting A and B, they are meeting here. So that means A is covering 100 kilometer more. So that means what? 5x. This distance must be 100 kilometer more than 5y. So 5x minus 5y is equal to 100 dividing by 5. 5 is common. So dividing by 5 we get x minus y is equal to 20. This is equation number 1. Now second condition, again the diagram you see, they are traveling to each other. I mean they are traveling in opposite direction. So A is traveling to the right and B is traveling to the left. So obviously somewhere here they are meeting. Suppose here A and B both are meeting. So what will be the distance covered by both of them? So distance covered by them, suppose now this is C spot. So AC. Distance covered by this car will be BC. So AC plus BC, it will be 100 kilometer total distance. So and it is 1 hour. They are meeting in 1 hour. So obviously x kilometer is done in 1 hour and y kilometer is done in 1 hour. So total both the distance will be x plus y is equal to 100. This is your second condition. Now x minus y is equal to 20. First x plus y is equal to 100. Add these two equations. Y get cancelled because they have got opposite sign. X plus x, 2x. 20 plus 100, 120. So 2 divided by 2, 60. So what is the speed of the first car? It's 60. Substitute 60 in equation 2, you get y is equal to 40. Hence the speeds of car is 60 and 40 kilometers. Let us check first condition. Now 60 multiplied by 5, because 5 hours, so it will cover 300 kilometers. Second car will cover 200 kilometers. And what is the difference? 100 kilometers. Now what is the speed of this car? 60. Car at A, second condition. So 60, and this traveling to this side, in 1 hour it will travel 40 kilometers. So what is the difference? What is the total distance? 100 kilometers. So these are the two questions from your exercise 5.3 3.5, and so we will continue further tomorrow. Okay guys, write down this question and practice. Thank you.